French fries, a beloved and ubiquitous side dish, have a fascinating history that spans continents and centuries. Contrary to their name, French fries may have originated in Belgium. According to Belgian lore, villagers in the Meuse Valley were known to fry small fish, and when the river froze in the winter, they turned to frying slices of potatoes instead. This culinary innovation dates back to the late 17th century. At Food and Wisdom, we celebrate the rich history and cultural significance of French fries. Join us as we explore the origins, evolution, and enduring appeal of this iconic dish. Discover the fascinating stories behind the flavors and techniques that have made French fries a favorite for centuries. The term French and French fries is believed to have come from the method of preparation rather than the country of origin. The French verb frire means to fry, and the term Frenching refers to the cutting technique used to prepare the potatoes. This has led to some confusion about the true origins of the dish. Another theory suggests that French fries were introduced to France by Belgian soldiers during World War I. The American soldiers stationed in Belgium tasted the fries and, hearing French spoken by the Belgian soldiers, mistakenly believed they were in France. This story adds to the mystique and the international intrigue surrounding the beloved French fry. Despite these origins, France has its own history with fried potatoes. French chef Antoine-Augustin Parmentier was a significant promoter of the potato in France during the late 18th century. Parmentier's efforts to popularize the potato in France, including fried versions, contributed to the eventual embrace of French fries as a staple. French fries gained immense popularity in the United States in the early 20th century. The introduction of fast food chains like McDonald's played a significant role in cementing their status as an American favorite. The consistency, taste, and convenience of French fries made them an ideal side dish for the burgeoning fast food industry. The rise of drive-in restaurants in the 1940s and 1950s further solidified French fries' place in American culture. These establishments often featured French fries on their menus, served alongside hamburgers, hot dogs, and milkshakes. The combination of crispy fries and juicy burgers became a quintessential part of the American dining experience. French fries are not only popular in fast food, they have also made their way into high-end cuisine. Gourmet versions of French fries can be found in fine dining restaurants, where chefs experiment with different types of potatoes, cooking methods, and seasonings. Truffle oil, Parmesan cheese, and aioli are just a few of the gourmet twists on the classic fry. The versatility of French fries has led to numerous variations around the world. In Canada, poutine is a beloved dish that features French fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. In the United Kingdom, fish and chips are a national staple, pairing fried fish with thick-cut fries. Each region has its unique take on the French fry, reflecting local tastes and ingredients. Sweet potato fries have gained popularity as a healthier alternative to traditional French fries. Sweet potatoes offer a different flavor profile and nutritional benefits, making them a popular choice in both home kitchens and restaurants. The rise of health-conscious eating has contributed to the diversification of fry options available to consumers. French fries also have a fascinating history in the world of art and culture. They have been featured in numerous films, television shows, and even as subjects in modern art. Pop artist Claes Oldenburg created a giant sculpture of French fries, highlighting their cultural significance and everyday appeal. The evolution of French fries is closely linked to technological advancements in food preparation. The invention of the mechanical potato peeler in the 19th century and the development of commercial deep fryers in the 20th century revolutionized the production of French fries, making them more accessible and easier to prepare on a large scale. One of the keys to perfect French fries is the choice of potato. Russet potatoes are a popular choice due to their high starch content and low moisture, which results in a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Other varieties, such as Yukon Gold, offer different textures and flavors, allowing for experimentation and innovation in fry making. The cooking method also plays a crucial role in the quality of French fries. Double frying is a common technique used to achieve the perfect balance of crunch and softness. The first fry at a lower temperature cooks the potatoes through, while the second fry at a higher temperature creates the crispy outer layer. Seasoning is another important aspect of French fries. While simple salt is a classic choice, a variety of seasonings can enhance the flavor. Paprika, garlic powder, and Cajun spices are popular additions, offering different taste experiences. Dipping sauces also add to the enjoyment, with ketchup, mayonnaise, and vinegar being common accompaniments. The global love for French fries has led to the establishment of numerous festivals and competitions dedicated to this humble dish. Events like the National French Fry Day in the United States celebrate the joy and versatility of French fries, bringing together enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike. Despite their popularity, French fries have faced criticism for their nutritional content. High in calories and fat, they are often associated with unhealthy eating habits. However, moderation in healthier preparation methods, such as baking or using air fryers, can make French fries a more balanced part of the diet. French fries have also been at the center of political and social discussions. In 2003, in response to France's opposition to the Iraq War, the U.S. House of Representatives cafeteria famously renamed French fries as Freedom Fries. This act highlighted how deeply ingrained French fries are in cultural and political conversations. The sustainability of French fries is an emerging concern. The environmental impact of potato farming, water usage, and the carbon footprint of processing and transporting French fries are important considerations for the future. Efforts to promote sustainable farming practices and reduce waste are essential for the continued enjoyment of this beloved food. French fries have become a canvas for culinary creativity. Loaded fries, topped with ingredients like cheese, bacon, and jalapenos, offer a decadent twist on the classic dish. Fusion cuisines also incorporate French fries in innovative ways, blending flavors and techniques from different culinary traditions. The history of French fries is a testament to the power of simple ingredients to create something universally loved. From their humble beginnings in Belgian villages to their status as a global phenomenon, French fries continue to bring joy and comfort to people of all ages and backgrounds. The enduring appeal of French fries lies in their ability to adapt and evolve. Whether served in a paper cone at a street vendor or elegantly plated in a gourmet restaurant, French fries remain a favorite comfort food. Their versatility and wide-ranging appeal ensure that they will continue to be a beloved part of the culinary landscape. The cultural significance of French fries extends beyond their role as a side dish. They have become symbols of hospitality, friendship, and shared experiences. The act of sharing a plate of fries with friends or family is a universal gesture of connection and enjoyment. French fries also have a place in the future of food innovation. Advances in food science and technology are opening new possibilities for creating healthier and more sustainable versions of French fries. From plant-based alternatives to innovative cooking techniques, the future of French fries is full of exciting potential. The global journey of French fries is a reflection of the interconnectedness of our world. As they continue to be enjoyed in diverse ways across different cultures, French fries remind us of the shared pleasures and commonalities that unite us. They are a delicious example of how food can transcend borders and bring people together. Through our exploration, we hope to inspire a deeper appreciation for the foods we enjoy and the histories they carry. Each bite of a French fry is a connection to the past, a celebration of the present, and a promise of the future. Let us savor these stories and celebrate the rich traditions that make our culinary world so vibrant and diverse. As we conclude our journey through the history of French fries, we invite you to share your own stories and traditions. Whether it's a cherished family recipe or a new twist on a classic, French fries continue to bring joy and comfort to countless people around the world. Together, let's keep the legacy of French fries alive for future generations to enjoy. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating food stories. Ready to devour more fascinating food stories? Then continue feeding your knowledge with the next video.